Earn money online RedBubble. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to redbubble.com. Click Sign Up and create a new account. Be sure to choose the Auto Sign Up option. Then, fill in your email, shop name, and password. Check the box to agree to the terms and hit Sign Up. Next, go to ChatGPT and type in a creative prompt to generate your design. For example, you could use vintage space theme poster in retro futuristic style. I'm using this for example. After the image is created, click the result and download it to your device. Now, go back to RedBubble. At the top right of the screen, click your profile icon. Then click Sell Your Art. Choose Add New Design and upload your image. Fill in your title, product description, and tags to help people find your design. Then scroll to the bottom, agree to RedBubble's terms, and click Save Work. And that's it. Your design is now live on RedBubble.